How are you? Which class you are studying? 1A. 3A. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు మీరు? How many students? 45. One class? 25. One classroom 25. Okay, ideal size.
There are 2 sections of each class. We have 25 boys in every class.
Acha. First year you are studying here? First year? Here, ఈ campus లో. This campus first year.
Is this your first year in the campus?
Okay. What is your experience? How is the institute, school?
Do you like being in the school? Do you enjoy the school? So I was asking that.
Where is your native place? Huh? What about you? ఎక్కడ మీ నేటివ్ ప్లేస్ ఎక్కడ? మీ ఊరు ఎక్కడ? జంగాలగడ్డగా. మీ నాన్న ఏం చేస్తాడు? ఏం జాబ్ చేస్తాడు? కంప్యూటర్ చేస్తాడా? ఓకే. వాట్ అబౌట్? గుడ్. ఓకే. బాయ్. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్.
All right, thank you, boys. Please settle. We take you to our AI lab, sir. Artificial intelligence. Quite extensively to learn mathematics, science, and
You are all AI guys now. నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా?
who would like to tell somebody what you do in your class? Okay.
We're doing Mindspark. We're doing Mindspark.
Mindspark. Okay. You tell me what you are doing. Tell me. Explain.
Sit and do the sum. Let's.
You sit and then do and explain. I am student, you are my teacher. Carry on. What is the concept mind space?
Math. Math.
Math. Multiple of 4.
40. 40.
40. Okay.
Write the answer and move forward. Now. Let's see what happens.
Is working. $82 into 1 entara?
82.
Into 1.
83.
Into 1.
Into 1. 83. It's
82. 82 plus 2.
84.
84. Now 82 into 40. చెప్పగలరా? That is where it is useful. You apply your mind, you apply machine. ఏంట్రా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యావా?
Okay, if you get confused and if you put a wrong answer, then what happens? Let's see, click submit, let's see what it tells you. Yeah. So, sir, there's an explanation of where the child has gone wrong. It's an adaptive learning tool.
Yeah. Now it has come now.
Explanation.
Explanation. Okay, explanation చూసిన తర్వాత నువ్వు చెప్పాలి కదా. 82 into 40. 3240. Is it right? No.
3280.
Yeah, 3280 plus 82. How much?
3362.
You are confident?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Machine is confident, you are confident.
Measure.
Machine, not you. Your mind is also confident. Okay, good. Our students, excellent.
Thank you, sir.
చాలా మీరు ఏ క్లాస్ మీరు? 4th క్లాస్ లో ఏ నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు? Am I right? Machine learning ఇది. You are going for machine learning 4th class. మీరు పెద్ద అయినాక ఏం కావాలనుకున్నావు?
I want to become an army officer.
Army officer. What about you?
Engineer.
What about you?
Engineer. Doctor. Police. Doctor. Doctor. Basketball player.
Hmm?
Player.
Which player?
Basketball player.
Okay.
Scientist.
Huh? Scientist.
Cricket player. Cricket player. Football player. Goalkeeper.
Huh? Goalkeeper.
Scientist.
Scientist.
Engineer.
Engineer.
Science.
IAS.
Scientist.
Scientist.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Army officer.
Army officer.
IPS.
ఐపీఎస్. ఎవరు చెప్పారు ఇవన్నీ మీకు కావాలని? మీ నాన్నతో షేర్డ్ విజన్ అంతేనా? మీ నాన్న నువ్వు కలిసి చేసావు. మీరందరూ
Our own, sir. Our own.
అవర్ మీ ఓన్ అని వాళ్ళు తెలిపేకెత్తండి. ఓకే, దించండి. మీ నాన్నతో కలిసి మేము ఆలోచించామని తెలిపేకెత్తండి. 4, 5 మంది. ఓకే.
This is my parents.
మీ పేరెంట్స్. ఓకే. మీ టీచర్స్ తో కలిసి విజన్ తయారు చేసుకుని తెలిపేకెత్తండి. క్యారియర్ పాత్. టీచర్స్ ఇంకా లేదు. టీచర్స్ తో కలిసి చేసావా? ఓకే. కాదు, మీ టీచర్స్ ఇన్స్పైర్ చేస్తే నువ్వేం కావాలని డిసైడ్ చేసుకున్నారా? ఓకే, గుడ్ లక్, ఎక్సలెంట్, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. గుడ్ లక్.
So we have students who prefer to grade 5 at the moment, and students from the weaker sections, the high IQ.
యా యా. ఏంటా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? ఫ్యాక్షన్.
Afternoon, sir.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. యూ టెల్ మీ.
I am Sathi. Today I'm going to tell you about fraction. Fraction means a part of a whole. For example, if I have a liquid and cut it into 4 equal pieces, then each piece is 1/4 of the liquid. Fractions are different from whole numbers. Whole numbers count complete things like an apple, bananas, or 3 books. Fractions tell us about parts like half a cake, 3/4 of a chocolate bar. We need fractions in our daily life when we share food with our friends, measure ingredients while cooking, divide time in hours and minutes, or even cut clothes for making clothes. We use fractions. So fractions are everywhere around us. They help us to be fair and accurate when things are shared or divided. That's why learning fractions is important and fun.
Good confidence. Well done. Shapes. Vice President. Thank you, ma. Good. What about you? Shapes.
My name is Vikash. I'm going to tell you about shapes. Shapes can be 2D or 3D. 2D shapes are flat, they have length, width, but no thickness. Example, squares, rectangle, triangle, and circles. You can see 2D shapes in books, papers, blackboards, and cards. 3D shapes are they have length, width, and height. So you can hold it.
Okay, my God. Well done. Triangles, angels, number cells. Okay, my God. Thank you.
These are some of the things that we've been doing, sir, across
Good
the
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma.
year. A lot of focus on copy-paste learning.
Plants.
So we started with cows and bulls, which is part of our ecosystem.
Student has one cow as their friends.
Okay.
They spend some time.
You are spending some time with your cow?
What's the name of your cow?
Teja.
Huh?
Teja.
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 And which breed is it?
Ungol.
ఒంగోలు బ్రీడ్. ఎన్ని రోజుల నుంచి యు ఆర్ అసోసియేటింగ్? ఎన్ని రోజుల నుంచి దాంతో కలుస్తున్నావు? తేజతో ఎన్ని రోజుల నుంచి కలుస్తున్నావు? హౌ మెనీ డేస్? ఎన్ని రోజులు? హౌ మెనీ డేస్?
In the
How
rules,
many times?
ఇప్పటికి ఎన్ని రోజులు కలిసావు? ఎన్ని రోజులు కలిసావు?
2 times a week.
2 times a week. How many weeks? You met our Teja.
So many weeks, sir.
How many times?
2 times in week.
he hooked us to that.
He is intelligent. What about you?
My name is B.S. Grade 4. We do project-based learning. We have done many projects. Our first project was bulls and cows. We visited a Goshala.
So what is the name of your cow?
My cow name is Nandu. It belongs to breed Ungol.
Plant? You don't have any plant? Plant. Only cows or plant? You,
What did you study about? Sir,
Yes, sir.
you have to grow one plant.
Yes, sir.
When?
In farm.
ఇన్ఫార్మ్ గా ఇక్కడే గ్రో చేసి నువ్వు నీళ్లు పోయాలి.
Yes.
So twice a week,
They're
we go to the
pencil.
farm which is next to the school. They spend
Akkada
all those
chestara?
are the plants that they've been studying about. on the
Sunlight,
campus. So they go
water.
and work there as well.
ఓకే గుడ్. బాడీ ఆర్గన్స్. ఓకే నమస్కారం. నమస్కారం.
This is another academic block that we have, sir. Should be ready in another 6 months' time.
ఓకే
That
గుడ్.
becomes another 14 classrooms. So in total, we have about 20 classrooms. And at the moment, 135 students. 50-50 each class. Grade 5 has slightly less numbers because the focus for admission is to find out high IQ students from the underprivileged backgrounds. So there's a lot of investigation. We go to house verification. So the right students are getting a place out there. And it's 100% residential.